early this morning at Wally World, getting some maintenance done on the van lifer and road tripper. Got to get some oil. Well, get an oil change, man. I've been traveling my butt off. So yeah, it's time for an oil change. Check these tires and all that. I'm in Greenville, Mississippi. Just got back from Atlanta, so I've been like back and forth so much. I asked the guy, I said, can you check and see if I need oil change? So I told him everywhere I've been. He said, I don't even have to check. You need your oil change. So anyway, that's what I'm doing early this morning. All right. The van life. Checking in, checking out.